Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and when it goes to start up there's just an excessive amount of smoke that's being created during the startup. Now first of all, there being some smoke when it's trying to start is normal, but if you're getting too much, we're going to talk about what might be causing that. So there are really one of two things that could be happening here. Number one is that there's a problem with the igniter that's misaligned or is too weak. The second possibility is that there's just not enough air flowing through your stove for a proper light. So a couple things that you can do to try to get this fixed is, number one, if you're starting the stove in manual mode, make sure that you're starting it at heat level 3. And this will allow the right amount of airflow to get your proper combustion. Next, you want to check the positioning of the igniter. And if the positioning and strength of the igniter are verified, the next thing that you want to check is for the actual airflow. And the most common problem here is that there just needs to be some cleaning done on the interior pathways where the air flows through it. The next thing that could be happening is that you want to check your exhaust and everything like that and make sure that it's properly set. So anyways, if you check all those things, you should be able to get rid of the smoking issue at startup. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.